Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can tag someone on X. So first step you need to do is to search for X and open that. So let me delete this post. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and here you need to click on plus icon again. And so I'm going to uh, post something. So I'm going to a very great day, a very great day with, and then you need to add at the rate of, so I'm going to write with Elon Musk for example. So I'm going to add Elon Musk here, and then you need to click on post on the top right. Once you've done that, it will be posted onto the X with that person tag. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.